Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. In this video, we will cover our mock test question part 2 for artificial intelligence concepts and technique. You know about the rule. We will give you some question and you have to answer it in 5 seconds. So let's start our question number 26. Which search algorithm expands the deepest node first? So these are the option: breadth first search, depth first search, greedy search, A search. So your time starts now. And the answer is B. Depth first search. And now let's go to our question number 27. The space complexity of breadth first search is, so these are the option: O of BD, O of BM, O of D, O of B. So your time starts now. And the answer is B. O of BM. And now let's go to our question number 28. The Minimax algorithm is used in, so these are the option: route optimization, game playing, pattern matching, natural language processing. So your time starts now. And the answer is B. Game playing. And now let's go to our question number 29. In genetic algorithms, new individuals are produced during which phase? So these are the option: reproduction, mutation, crossover, evaluation. So your time starts now. And the answer is C. Crossover. And now let's go to our question number 30. Which of the following is population based in nature? So these are the option: hill climbing, genetic algorithms, A search, greedy search. So your time starts now. And the answer is B. Genetic algorithms. And now let's go to our question number 31. Which logic connective can be used to build complex sentence? So these are the options: symbols, quantifiers, connectives, variables. So your time starts now. And the answer is C. Connectives. And now let's go to our question number 32. The proposition for every x there exists a y such that x greater than y means, so these are the option: every real number is greater than some real number, all numbers are equal, some numbers are not real, there exists no real y less than x. So your time starts now. And the answer is A. Every real number is greater than some real number. And now let's go to our question number 33. In the statement A equal to true, B equal to false, C equal to true, which of the following is true? So these are the option: A, B, C, B tends to A, C, A tends to B, C, A, negation of B, negation of C. So your time starts now. And the answer is B. B tends to A, C. And now let's go to our question number 34. Which type of search uses depth first traversal in game tree expansion? So these are the option: minimax, taboo search, local search, breadth first. So your time starts now. And the answer is A. Minimax. And now let's go to our question number 35. What kind of problems can be solved efficiently using problem solving agents? So these are the option: mathematical equations, 8 queens problem, data sorting, file storage. So your time starts now. And the answer is B. 8 queens problem. And now let's go to our question number 36. Who is known as one of the founders of AI and co-founders of MIT's AI lab? So these are the options: Alan Turing, Marvin Minsky, Niels Nielsen, Albert Simon. So your time starts now. And the answer is B. Marvin Minsky. And now let's go to our question number 37. Which AI approach uses human brain inspiration but not exact replication? So these are the options: symbolic AI, connectionist AI, cognitive AI, reactive AI. So your time starts now. And the answer is B. Connectionist AI. And now let's go to our question number 38. The cooling schedule parameter in simulated annealing ensures. So these are the option. Gradual reduction in randomness, increases in cost function, expansion of the search tree, constant temperature. So your time starts now. And the answer is A. Gradual reduction in randomness. And now let's go to our question number 39. In logic, symbol is equivalent to, so these are the option. No x satisfy h of x, every x satisfies h of x, some x satisfy h of x is always true. So your time starts now. And the answer of our 39th question is A. No x satisfies h of x. And now let's go to our question number 30. And now let's go to our question number 40. What does an agent's move mean in AI terminology? So these are the option. Transition from one state to another, moving physically from one place to another, shifting between goals, retaining the same percept. So your time starts now. And the answer is A. Transition from one state to another. And now let's go to our question number 41. Local search methods are generally used when, so these are the option. Path to goal is irrelevant, path cost is critical, all paths are equal, the state space is linear. So your time starts now. And the answer is A. Path to goal is irrelevant. And now let's go to our question number 42. The output of the resolution rule in propositional logic is called a. So these are the option. Literal, clause, resolvent, expression. So your time starts now. And the answer is C. Resolvent. And now let's go to our question number 43. Which agent uses internal models of the world to make decisions? So these are the option. Simple reflex, model based, utility based, random. So your time starts now. And the answer is B. Model based. And now let's go to our question number 44. The refutation complete interference procedure used in AI is, so these are the option. Forward chaining, resolution, backward chaining, unification. So your time starts now. And the answer is B. Resolution. And now let's go to our question number 45. In propositional logic, which form contains conjunctions of disjunctions? So these are the option. DNF, CNF, predicate form, functional form. So your time starts now. And the answer is B. CNF. And now let's go to our question number 46. In game trees, pruning is primarily used to, so these are the option. Reduce computational effort, increase node expansion, enhance randomness, avoid all possible solutions. So your time starts now. And the answer is A. Reduce computational effort. And now let's go to our question number 47. The depth first search strategy consumes. So these are the option. Less memory, more memory, equal to BFS, no memory. So your time starts now. And the answer is A. Less memory. And now let's go to our question number 48. Which of the following best defines AI as per modern interpretation? So these are the option. Machine simulating human intelligence, computers storing huge data, robots performing tasks, devices with sensors only. So your time starts now. And the answer is A. Machine simulating human intelligence. And now let's go to our question number 49. The process of generating new offspring in genetic algorithm is known as, so these are the option, mutation, reproduction, crossover, selection. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, crossover. And now let's go to our question number 50. Which logic operation checks whether beta follows logically from alpha? So these are the option: alpha subset equal to beta, alpha pi beta, beta subset equal to alpha, beta pi alpha. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, alpha pi beta. So thank you friends for watching our mock test question part 2 for artificial intelligence concepts and technique.